DCA 3 Mixed Review, number 7. The list below shows the number of points NFL teams scored in last week's games. Which teams scored a prime number of points? So we're looking for prime numbers. And if you remember, a prime number, think of that I as a 1, and we have me. A prime number only has 1 and itself, 1 and me, as a factor. And that's exactly what I need to do on each one of these numbers. I need to find their factors. And the way we do that is with a T-chart. So 23, making a T-chart. A lot of people like the strategy of writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 down the page, and we check each one. So can I do 1 times something and equal 23? Yes, 1 times 23 equals 23. 2, well, 2 will only multiply to get even numbers because evens make evens. And so 2 is a no. That also means that all the other even numbers, 4, 6, and 8, are a no. So then we get to 3. So you can think of your 3s, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, but there's no 23. Or you can use the good old 3's trick, which is to add the digits together. 2 plus 3 equals 5, and so 3 will not go into it. Only if the digits add up to 3, 6, or 9 will 3 go. So 3's a no. 5, well, we know 5's always have either a 5 or a 0 in the ones place. Since this number's got a 3, I know that 5 is a no. 7, there's no real trick to 7 except for to know your 7s. You can use the little tic-tac-toe board that we learned as a shortcut to getting those 7s. You got 7, 14, 21, and then you start with that ones place. Over with the 21, you have a 1, and so you go 2, 3, back up to the top to the 4 and 14, 5, 6, back up to the top, the 7, 8, 9, and then ones or tens place is a little bit different. You've got 0 in front of the 7, 1 on the 14, 2 on the 21. Now here's where it's a little different. Whatever you put in that last spot, in this case the 2 of the 21, you put it again on the next row. And so 28 is our next number, then 35, 42, so 2, 3, 4. Repeat that 4, since it's in the last spot, to make 49, then 5, 6. Now, is there a 23 in that list? No, there's a 21 and a 28, but no 23. So 7's a no. 9's will always add up to a 9. And again, when we added 2 plus 3, we got 5, so 9's a no. Looks like 23 might be one of our prime numbers. It only has 1 and itself, 1 and me. So that's one of them. But this says which teams, so that tells me there's probably more than one. So I'm going to check the other 2 numbers. 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 times 16. 2, yes, 16's an even number, so 2 is going to work. 2 times 8. Now, as soon as I wrote that 2, 16 cannot be prime, because remember, a prime only has 1 and itself. Since we have 1 and 16 and we have a 2, then this is not a prime number. This is a composite number. And so 16 is out. All right, next one is 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, yes, of course, 1 times 20. 2, yes, 2 times 10. And just like with that 16, as soon as I wrote that 2, I knew this was composite. And so 20 is out. And so let's take a look at 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 1, yes, 1 times 17. 2. 17's an odd number, so no. 2's a no. That means 4, 6, and 8 are no's as well. 3. Let's do that 3's trick. 1 plus 7 equals 8. It's got to be equal 3, 6, or 9 for 3 to be a yes. So 3 is a no. Plus, I know my 3's, and I can get 15 and 18, but not 17. 5's always have 5 or 0, so no on the 5. 7, looking at my 7's from earlier, I do not see a 17, so 7's a no. And 9, 18. 27, no 9. And so 1 and itself only means 17 is prime. And so our answer, which teams scored a prime number of points, would be Cowboys and Chiefs.